Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Aviator Predictor app activation code. Please watch this video until the end and follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up a web browser. In the search bar, type github.com and press enter. This will take you to the GitHub website. Once you're on the GitHub page, you will see a search bar on the top right of the page. Click on it and search for Aviator Predictor app. This will take you to the page where you see different Aviator Predictor apps listed. Locate the one labelled Avialat's Aviator Predictor app and click on it. This will take you to the app's setup page. On this page, you'll find an option to download the app. Click on Download as a zip to save the app file to your device. You can download it to either your phone or your computer. After the download is complete, locate the zip file on your device and extract its contents. Once extracted, run the installation process to install the app. When the installation is finished, open the app and click on the Login button. To log in, you'll need a username and password. For the username, use admin. If you do not know the password, click on the Forgot Password option. Follow the instructions provided to retrieve the password. Once you have both the username and password, enter them into the login screen to access the app. After you're logged in, you will see the activation code displayed on the screen. Make a note of this code. Next, find the seed of your latest game section in the app. Here, you'll need to enter the seed from your most recent game. If you're unsure how to find this seed, check the game settings or history for the required information. Enter the seed into the designated field and click the Next button. If everything is entered correctly, you'll see a confirmation message that says Done. At this point, you can click the Start button to begin using the app. The app will display the next multiplier for your game, which you can use to make predictions. That's it for this tutorial. Please consider liking the video and subscribing for more guides. Thank you for watching.